If you're still losing and you want to be a profitable trader, then you need my indicators. Yes, why I'm saying this? Because already these two indicators that you can see on the screen, the bank orders and the market turning points indicator, they have worked for my students and now they are getting rich every day. Yes, if you don't trust, go to our Telegram channel and you will see the amazing results that we have already shared in the group, and you will see that how my students basically take the trades with these indicators. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to review the market turning points indicator. So first of all, about this indicator, this thing should come in your mind that this is the real time indicator. These are not the static levels. Okay, so for example, this is the sell opportunity that is created on gold 5 minute, and you can see a drop. Okay, now this level was already here, but it was created when the market was here on the real time. Okay, so this indicator works real time. I can show you many examples, like if I okay, now just look at this. This is not fixed. If this candle closes bearish, then this level will get fixed, and in real time it is telling you that the market can go down. So this is the real time indicator. Okay, similarly, just look at USD CHF. Okay, this is the 5 minute picture. It is telling you in real time that this is the best buy opportunity level and you should go for the buy trade, because if you just look at this level, the sell opportunity was created in real time and the market has already went down, and now it's the time for the market to go up. So this is the real time indicator, and if you want to get the access of this indicator, you can contact on Telegram, you can contact through email. The links are given in the description of this video below. Also, you can see this is the real time creation. Okay, so now let's talk about the second indicator. Okay, now when we talk about the second indicator, its levels are static and its level also comes after the move as well, and there is a big role of the dotted lines that you can see. Okay, now this level was appeared and then the market retested that level on AUD You can see it's down. Okay, now I can show you some more examples. Okay, now, when the price closes below the dotted green line, it shows the weakness of the market, and you can see the gold is down. Okay, if you just look at my previous videos, I have talked about this thing many times, that below the green it's a sell and above the red it's the buy. So, for example, if the market has given a close above the dotted red line, now you can buy from here or you can buy from some lower side, and then you can see the price simply moved up. Okay, I can show you more examples. For example, look at this one. Okay, the price closes above the dotted red line, you can see it went and targeted the bank selling area that was available at the top, and now you can see the market is going down. Okay, so these are the static levels that can appear. Like, for example, this level was appeared on that move, but now this level is retested and you can see the price went up. So guys, these are the two powerful indicators that I am showing. Okay, our third indicator is based on the retest. Okay, so let me show you. The name of that indicator is liquidity scalper, and that's a simple indicator. So how this is simple? This is very simple. Like, when the price breaks below the level, then it comes for the retest. You can see this is the bearish retest. Price is down. Now the price breaks that level, retested, and simply price is going up. Okay, so you can use this indicator when the market is moving. It should not be into the consolidation, and you can see, for example, now you can see this is the bullish trend going on. Okay, now after the break of the level, the market retest. After the break of the level, market retest, price went up. So you do not care about this thing, that how much the market is strong. Basically, this indicator will work, and these levels, that liquidity scalper levels that you are looking at the screen, they never repaint, and these are our three top class indicators which are used by our subscribers, and you can see a lot of feedbacks. Look at this. This is the downtrend, retested down, retested down. Okay, retested down and again retested. You can see the price is down. So, guys, if you want to get the lifetime version of our bank indicator, the market turning points indicator, or the last one that I have shown you, the liquidity scalper, the levels does not repaint. So, you can book the lifetime version from Telegram. You can book the lifetime version by contacting us on email. The links are given in the description of this video below. Thank you very much.